Instructions are keeping me from doing my job.
You lost your prisoners.
Give it to him.
You lost your agent.
That's not true.
That's what you told me.
But the truth is that while Agent Denozo was lost, Jeffrey White is still with him. So Jeffrey White technically is with an NCIS agent, and therefore technically is still in custody.
Well, you've clearly been empowered to tell me off.
Yes, ma'am.
And what exactly did Agent Gibbs tell you?
What you got, Bogey?
He told me.
We got boots?
Tell you too.
Who's the man? Huh? Who's the man?
You were telling me.
Bogey, don't bite him.
Thank you, Miss Deputy Secretary.
You got boots on?
Conversation is now over.
Go get your bone. Go get your bone. Get that bone. Mimi's gonna get the bone. Mimi's gonna get the bone. Yum, 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 yum. What you got? What you got? Ooh.
Do you ever eat the other bone?
Yeah.
You did that after all the harassment. Not now.
Bogey. You want another bone? Do you want another bone? What?
Yeah, Gibbs.
Special Agent McGee speaking.
Hey, McGee.
Yes, boss.
I want you to run the
Phone records for the landline in the cabin.
On it.
Oh, and, boss, I told her.
Deputy
The rear ones are staying on good. It's just those front ones.
How'd it work? Well, she submitted a formal complaint to the director.
McGee.
Good job.
Are we done? Good boy.
Yes.
Good boy. Let's go for a walk. Want to go for a walk? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Let's go. Let's go outside. Come on, let's go outside. You look like you got little fireman boots on. Let's go. Come on, let's go outside. I don't want to go outside, Mama. Are you done?